It was a hold today, and although the Bank of England is suggesting that there are likely to be further cuts to come, it isn't offering any indication as to when that might be. We are now living in an age of even greater uncertainty, said the Governor Andrew Bailey. Now, the UK economy is barely growing. Meanwhile, inflation is picking up. And what happens next will depend to some extent on President Trump, who has started a trade war which threatens to cause immense economic damage if it persists or even intensifies. It will depend on the conflicts in Gaza and Ukraine, which have the potential, of course, to affect the global price of energy. And it will depend on what British businesses do next month when they have to find money to fund higher increases to the national living wage and national insurance contributions. Now, a survey by the network of agents at the bank suggests there may be trouble ahead. It finds more firms are reporting hiring pauses or freezes and saying they will review staffing levels through natural attrition or redundancies if the outlook does not improve. The Governor says this is cause for concern.
When I go around the country with our agents, which I do regularly, I pick up that message as well. Now, I should say, however, again, that it hasn't yet come through in some of the early indicators that we look at, such as notifications of redundancies. I'm watching this very carefully because it's one of the things that I think if that starts to come through, we will obviously have to take very seriously into account.
This is an indicator that unemployment in Britain may be about to rise by more than the Bank of England is anticipating. It may not come to pass, but if it does, expect interest rates to fall in short order as jobs are lost and the upward pressure on pay and prices disappears.